Hey everyone, welcome to KSED single box break number 700 of 13-14 Upper Deck the Cup. Last and in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on December 2nd at 6:49 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So, current day and time. Click refresh. It's currently Tuesday, December 2nd at 11:54 p.m. Eastern Time. So a little bit earlier than normal. Live on Breakers TV here. Number 700. And this is box 5 of 6 from our case. So our number tonight is NE221246418. So final tin is tomorrow from the case. We are waiting on our case hit still. 221245418. Sorry. Serial number. Sealed. Sealed. Shrink wrap. Sealed. Okay, so here we go. Good luck, everyone. Five, 4, 1, 8. So good luck, everyone. So we have the final tin again tomorrow. Boxes 5 and 6 of Dominion should be lots of great stuff in there. Then also we have a case of Black Diamond ending tomorrow, and then probably gonna do some Black Diamond double and Dominion. Then Ronnie will be doing Cup, so did finish tin 1 tonight. I'll be listing more tomorrow, so definitely check out for those. Good luck, and hopefully single box break 700 is good. Sorry, let's watch it there. No color in here, which could be a good sign. Or wait, there is a little bit of color here. So good luck, everyone. So we start off with a base card of Gino, Evgeny Malkin 249 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And it is in the wrong Edmonton Oilers. So we have ourselves a auto rookie patch of Justin Schultz for the Edmonton Oilers. 136 of 249. Justin Schultz. A decent patch on it though. And a signature patches of Corey Conacher, 4-color for the Ottawa Senators. This one is number 34 of 99. Corey Conacher. I'm just going to flip that over. Is a Senator still. And our 4th card is a redemption, which could be a good sign. Got a NHL Cup signature renditions comboed. Number to 15 of Adam Oates and Pavel Bure. I want to say that's Capitals and it's going to be around between Capitals and well, I think this might be the Bruins one. I can't remember. I'm going to look it up. Caps and Canucks. I remember seeing that. So we're going to double check that. We'll show you the checklist on the teams before we do a random. And we have ourselves a Matt Duchene base jersey, a Matt Duchene, 25. Oh, you have that card, Mike? Yeah, I'm going to have to look it up anyways to be 100% sure. And finish the tin off with a Martin Marincin for the Edmonton Oilers. 4 of 25. So there we have it, guys. So pretty sure we don't have anything case hit worthy. So biggest hit so far was the Gretzky signature renditions, which I've seen multiple times with other hits. Bobby Orr and Busick last night. And on the Bure and Adam Oates. So hopefully it's going to be, we should actually have a pretty big hit coming out tomorrow from the last 10 then. Hopefully it'll be a little bit better quality case hit than last time our anticlimactic finish there. So it's going to be a minute here. Just got to look up these appropriate teams. Then I got to set up the randomizer and I'll flip you guys around here. So we're going to turn you guys around here. So we are on Upper Deck's website here. We're on the 2013-14 Signature Renditions Combo Checklist. And this is the Adam Oates and Pavel Bure. So Oates is representing the Capitals and Pavel Bure representing the Canucks. So I'm just going to match up the card number there. So it is SRC-AP, number to 15. That's the same one on the page. And onto our randomizer. So it is listed in the order the card shows up first as Adam Oates for the Caps and Bure second for the Canucks. So we're going to random the list 3 times. Team on top after the 3rd time is going to receive the card, and I can eBay message the winner the redemption code if they like. So good luck to the 2 teams in it. 1, 2, 3. And the winner is the Washington Capitals. And you randomize this list 3 times, so congratulations, Washington. Definitely check out the last 10 for tomorrow night, everyone.